In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to get your boarding pass online on your smartphone device on British Airways. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your app store or any other type of app store there is. Then you need to go down to the search bar and go up to the search bar. From here, you'll need to click in British Airways, like so. From here, you'll need to scroll down and click update or download or open the app, like so. From here, it should look something like this. And here you'll be able to book a flight, sign in or register for an account, or find booking. If you click on find booking, you'll end up seeing this page right here. If you'll end up seeing this page, you can just swipe to the right and then you can click in find your booking. From here, you'll need to add in booking reference and your last name. From here, you'll need to click in find my booking, and then you'll get access to find your boarding pass so you can use your smartphone device rather than print them out. I hope this helps. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!